Hi children, welcome to our Kavita Ashok educational channel for mathematics. Look at here. From the basic, whenever these type of questions are there, easily we can find out the value. But whenever denominator contains different values, then automatically the difficulty arises. Today I will tell how to solve the trick whenever the denominator means unlike fractions, like fractions and unlike fractions. Look at here. If you take the first problem, 1 by 3 plus 7 by 3. Whenever denominator contains same terms, only by adding the numerator we can get the answer. Like this. 3 will be the LCM for both 3, 3. 1 plus 7. The answer will be 8 by 3. The same manner, if suppose 1 by 3 minus 7 by 3 is there, then also no problem. Why? Because both are the like fractions. In the denominator 3, now this is 1 minus 7. 1 minus 7 in the sense here, minus 6 by 3. 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja. The answer will be minus 2. So this is very easy. Why? Because whenever like fractions are there, the problems are very easy. But what about unlike fractions? So now we will discuss how to add unlike fractions. Now, second problem. Look at here. 1 by 3 plus 7 by 5. So whenever unlike fractions are there, first the way is to make like fractions. 1 by 3. Here 5 is a denominator. Just multiply and divide it in 5 here. Then what you can get here? 5 by 50. Now here 7 by 5 is there. So 7 by 5. Here denominator is 5. Multiply 3 numerator and denominator. Then 21 by 50. Now both are in similar form, means like fractions. Adding in this is equal to 5 by 15 plus 21 by 15. This is equal to 26 by 15. So like this we can add, but always taking one value and multiply like this is not possible. So for that sake only we will use the LCM method. What is the LCM method? Look at here now. First we will take 3, 5 LCM. So there is no common factor. That's why directly 3 into 5, this will be 15. The LCM is 15. First take 15 here. Now 1 is there, take 1. Keep bracket here. Plus 7 is there, take 7 and keep bracket. Look at here. Here denominator is 3. Here denominator is 15. When 3 will becomes 15, if you multiply with 5, then it will becomes 15. 3 5 are 15. Take 5. Now take here 5 is there, here 15 is there. When 5 will becomes 15, when you multiply with 3, so 5 3 are 15. Now 1 5 are 5 plus 7 3 are 21 by 15. This is equal to 26 by 15. Look at it. We will take one more example. Now, students, if 1 by 2 plus 2 by 3 minus 3 by 4 is 3 terms are there. Now, according to our form, first we will take LCM of 2, 3 and 4. 2 1 are 2, 3 here, 2 2 are 4. So, once again, we will take 2 here, 1, 3, 2 1 are 2. Now, 2, 2, 3. 2 into 3. 2 2 are 4, 3 are 12. 12 is a LCM. Now this is equal to denominator contains 12 here. According to the previous method, keep 1 here, bracket, plus keep 2 here, bracket, 3, bracket. Now look at it. Denominator 2. Here denominator will be 12. When 2 will becomes 12, if you multiply with 6, correct? Here 3 is here, here 12 is here. When 3 will becomes 12, if you multiply with 4. 3 4 are 12. Now 4, here 12 is here. What we can multiply? Yes, your answer is correct. That is 3, 4, 3 are 12. Look at here now. 2, 6 are 12, 3, 4 are 12, 4, 3 are 12. No problem. This is equal to 6 plus 2, 4 are 8 minus 9 by 12. 8, 6, 14 minus 9 by 12. So finally 14 minus 9, 5 by 12. So by using this trick, whenever the fractions are there, unlike fractions, easily we can solve the problem. Thank you very much.